the wedge formation that had been forming in the Dow over the last 4 or 5 weeks could easily be seen to have been breached, especially when there was a doji right at the support level. And we know the simple rule of the doji. Prices are usually going to move in the direction of how they open after a doji. So the lower open, which was indicated by the pre-market futures this morning, showed that this wedge formation is now being breached to the downside, which obviously makes the 200-day moving average, if we can get that on here, the next likely target, created by what we call a blue ice failure. Blue ice failure is very simple. When the support level, the ice, is broken, they'll come up and try to find the hole they fell through, and when they fail, they drown, and they go to the bottom of the pond, which is the next support level. Knowing this allows for the candlestick investor to look for the charts that are going to produce the best and strongest downside moves to go short, knowing that there's going to probably more than likely be a downtrend in the market. That was illustrated in our recommendation to go short on MOS today. After the bearish engulfing and the failure at the T-line and the 20 yesterday, a lower open told us we could be in a wave 1, wave 2, going into wave 3 to the downside on a bearish J-hook pattern, telling us the next move could be the same magnitude move as this right here. That same scenario is pointed out in BANC in the chat room this morning. When it failed in a lower open, also creates the possibility of a bearish J-hook pattern taking this one down much lower. The visuals of candlestick analysis allow for much easier recognition of when a resistance level is failing. As we see in our recommendation on going short on Cray, we had a bearish engulfing signal. They couldn't get up through the 50. They couldn't get up through the 50. Now they're down below the T-line and the 50. And we're at this support level. And if it trades lower, there was a big downdraft in Cray a while back. That downdraft could continue. Once again, the visuals of candlesticks just allow the investor to recognize what the signals are telling you and where the potential or where the high probability move is in a trend. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.